Today we will assemble the BS-6001. This is the microscope we take from the box, and this is a reflector illuminator. This is a CMOS adapter. This is the Allen key, and here we have a camera. First of all, I will take out this microscope head. Here is a screw. We will lose it and can take it out. Please make sure not touch any lens with fingers. Now I will attach this reflecting illuminator and make this screw out and install this reflector illuminator, and then fix this screw. And here, take the dust cover. And install this microscope head. And then fix this screw. Take out this dust cover. Take out this camera. Take out the dust cover and attach the CMOS adapter to the camera. And then connect to the triangular head and fix with the screwdriver on this. Fix this CMOS adapter. And this is the power adapter of the microscope. You take out. And we will connect this illuminator to the power socket. Fix this screw and input the power supply. And here is analyzer. We need the polarizer is already inside here, and we need to insert this. Make this arrow upside. Insert this. That's all for the installation. Now we will show you how to adjust the parfocal of the microscope and the camera. This CMOS adapter is adjustable. First of all, we will adjust the eyepiece. This is a close focus. This is a fine focus. We will adjust the image in the eyepiece to be clear. And now we can see from the camera it's not clear. Here is on the CMOS adapter. Here's the lock and the focus. The lock is loose now. I can adjust the focus. Now we should see the screen and adjust slightly. Find the best effect and lock it. Lock this screw. That's all to adjust the parfocal distance of the camera and the microscope.